Hi, let me tell you something. If you are learning AI and don't know these architectures, you are already behind. Generally, most people focus on the tools for learning, but the truth is, the actual AI understanding comes from its architecture.
Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel AI Catalyst.
In this video, I will share top 5 AI architectures which are mostly used for any AI solution implementation and developers or learners must know about them. So stay till the end. The last one is most powerful. First one is a basic LLM, large language model application. It's very simple. A user, API, LLM, you got the response. This is what mostly beginners and the mostly used AI application. By the way, I have described about this application architecture in my previous video. You can go and check it out. Link is available in comments. Second is RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. With this architecture, AI does not guess, but it first verify the data from the provided source and then only it responds to your query. It is exactly like an open book exam where you have truth of source available to verify. Third is AI agents. In this architecture, AI not only answer your query, but it also takes the action on your behalf. Like it will not just search the ticket for you, but it will also book the ticket for you. It can send an email on your behalf or can automate certain tasks for you. And this is the hot topic nowadays. Fourth is multi-modal AI. In multi-modal AI architecture, AI combines all different inputs type like text, image, audio or video in single AI system, and then it processes all those inputs together to better understand the context and give you a more accurate response. For example, if you upload an image and ask a question about it, AI will be able to see that and will respond based on it. Fifth is fine-tuned models. Fine-tuned models are pre-trained models which are further trained on your organization-wide data to perform specific tasks more accurately. So instead of using general knowledge, they understand the brand, the tone, and your business logic. For example, we can train one of the LLM model on our support tickets so that it can better answer our customer queries aligned to our brand and more precise to our business domain. If this is useful, please hit like and subscribe. It really encourages YouTube to share this video with more AI learners. So here is a quick recap. LLM, a basic AI app. RAG, your data aware AI solution. AI agents who can take action on your behalf. Multimodal, where you have multiple inputs in single AI system. And fine-tuned models, your specialized AI for your organization. If you understood this, you are already ahead in AI. So comment AI if you want me to go deeper into one of these. Also, share your love, subscribe AI Catalyst, help us to grow. Thank you. Bye.